Hello friends, welcome to my channel Floral Style. You will be seeing 3 types of freehand painting designer designs in this video. I do order works and take online classes for professional art courses. My details are in this video and below this video in description. Do see my other videos for my exclusive artworks. This is a designer design for the blouse on the back side. This is a folk art. I teach short and long, advanced and basic courses starting from 1000 onwards. Those who are interested can join freehand painting, oils, acrylic, tango, 3D murals, 3D flowers, ornamental flowers, types of roses, chrysanthemums, birds' faces and many more. I teach tango type of painting for blouses. Those interested can join my that course. It is for 1000 rupees. sunflowers, and those who are interested can order such exclusive designer designs for their clothes. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel, friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos on art, freehand painting and new techniques in painting. Keep watching. See you. Bye bye.